Our third runner-up is Team Makiling Hiking Society. Congratulations! May we invite the Team Makiling Hiking Society on stage to receive your award. Once again, congratulations to our third runner-up. May believe din ako sa mga sumasali ng mga ganito, May, because it takes a lot of courage. Yes, may talent ka, pero iba din yung may confidence ka na ipakita mo yung talent mo sa iba.
That's right, Shane. Baka talagang tatak pamilyang professional yan. Kaya naman, let's give them once again a big round of applause. Alright, maraming salamat po. Now, the third runner-up is already announced. Let's proceed to our second runner-up. This performer gave a performance na talaga namang kinapitan ng buong audience. Ready na ba kayo? Our singing idol second runner-up is Bandang Blessing! Congratulations! Please come up on stage to receive your award. Narito po ba ang ating Bandang Blessing? Grabe, if I remember it right, ito yung mga nagsisikogian na tumayo dito kanina, di ba? Once again, Bandang Blessing, congratulations! You just bagged the second runner-up. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Once again, congratulations to our second runner-up. Moving on to our first runner-up, May. Since may apat lang tayo na entries, once I announce the first runner-up, you will know sino na ang champion natin. Okay? So our first runner-up, again, this